Hello everybody, and welcome to another video. Dang it! This is getting really irritating. Hello everybody, and welcome to another video of Crazy Chicken's Amazing Server! Yeah, I added a lot of stuff. Go over here. I add the fence to the important complex. I added, yeah. There's this. There's this. And that was an old. There's this, you guys. I added this to a view site. There's this new thing. It's the tour around my server. I'll give you the minecarts and stuff, and you go to it. This house I have that I added. This is probably going to be one of my short videos today, but it's going to be pretty cool. Let's go around here. This is the kind of like a apartment for another person. There is this over here. Oh man, what happened to my villagers? Oh, there you guys are. They're just hiding in the dark. Poor villagers. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I'm looking forward to get some likes in this video. There's the apartment I have right here. This is one of my apartments. Oh. Well, there was dogs there. Go over here to another apartment. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Over here, this apartment building. On top, there's this. Woo! It's a view site. You can see basically everything. It's pretty cool. I know I don't have a good camera and stuff, but I do pretty cool stuff with this. Alright, if you go over here, we got the hood locked up. And this is the main place that my cousin built it. It's that. It's basically like a hotel room, but wait. At the very top. At the very top. There's this. This is where the mayor stays. His fridge. I don't really know what he did right there. Another fridge. There's a chest for him. Another chest. There's where the mayor speaks to people. He sits on his chair and talks here. You got two fridges outside. And since we got time left, I am gonna show you that detour thing. So let's hurry up. I'm gonna show you it. Is it right here? Yes. If there's no way there, you guys can just pull the lever. Dang, I forgot to add that. Oh, I guess I don't. Minecart. Yeah, this is gonna be a quick video, I guess. Alright, let's go! This is a detour around my server. That's where I'm gonna build another city. Yeah, this goes really slow. Alright, you guys, this is probably going to be the longest video I have. Alright, I'm gonna just show you guys the thing. Then it goes back to this. Alright. I'll replace that later. Yeah, doors. I'll replace that later. Alright. Please press that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!